The High Court is dismissed an attempt by a group of war veterans to stop the government's new land tenure policy, ruling that President Emerson Mnangagwa acted within the constitution when he introduced a system allowing the issuance of title deeds to beneficiaries of the land reform program. Sanabina mashoko buda pango ino chinukwa kunzi war veterans lose bid to block issuance of new land title deeds. Let us subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pangwa ino panapa muna umubda nyukwa mchense. The 6 applicants, Joseph Jinja Chingurwa, Godfrey Rambenda, Gurira Joseph Hitler Bazuka, Chinyangare, Ruben Zulu, Dig Mondia, and the War Veterans Pressure Group Trust has asked the court to declare the October 2024 land policy unconstitutional, but Justice Samuel Udeme delivered an ex-temporal judgment, rejected all their arguments, saying the case had no merit. The applicants are laboring under a wrong assumption, the judge said, ruling that the Land Commission Act already provides the legal framework required under Section 293 of the Constitution for the alienation and allocation of state land. The war veterans had argued that the president could not introduce a new land tenure system without a fresh act of parliament and without binding approval from the Zimbabwe Land Commission. They also insisted that the state was barred from issuing any new title deeds, claiming all former titles had been cancelled under Section 72. However, the court found their interpretation to be misguided. Justice Deme ruled that the law only requires the minister to consult the Land Commission, not to follow its recommendations. The words, after consultation with, do not mean approval, he had said, citing Section 339 of the Constitution. He added that the Commission itself operates under ministerial policy directives in terms of the Section 297. On the issue of the cancelled title deeds, the judge said the applicants were simply asking the court to restate an undisputed legal position. This court cannot be invited to declare the position of the law which is common cause, he ruled, describing the request as a fatal academic exercise. Tomash panobuda pangwa ino chinko kunzi mawu veterans pangwa ino uvarwa kunze ne High Court. Pangwa ino vaita kubloka the issuance of new land title deeds. Mina kumesection medu mbudza mafunguro enyimoti kudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Sangano subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.